Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is 24 is to power a is equals to 18, which is a given equation, and our required equation is 2 is to power 3a minus 1 over 2 minus a, which is a required expression. In order to solve this question, first we will make factor for this 24 and this 18, and this after making the factor of this 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is to power a, because 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 8 is the 24. And this 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3, because 2 3 is the 6, 6 3 is the 18. Now, as we know that this 3 2 can be written as 2 is to power 3, and this 3 is a single value, so it will directly written as into 3, and overall power a will remain same, equal to 2 into 3 square, because this 3 or both 3 can be written as 3 square. Now in the next step we should apply this power a on both of these value, and this value can be written as 2 is to power 3a into 3a, because when we apply this power a on both of these values from the basic rule of algebra, we should get 2 is to power 3a into 3 is to power a, and on the right side of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step we should divide this 2 is to power 3a with this 2 values, because this 2 will go in division with this value, and we should get 2 is to power 3a over 2, and this 3 square will divide with this 3 is to power a, because this 3 is to power a will go in division with this 3 square. Now in the next step we should apply the basic rule of algebra, which is if two values are in fraction and both values having the same base but different power, then it can be written with the one base and difference of this both power. And so as we apply this rule on this both fraction, we should get 2 is to power 3a minus 1, because this minus 1 power will minus from this 3a, and as a result we should get 2 is to power 3a minus 1. And when we apply this rule on this fraction, we should get 3 is to power 2 minus a, because this a power will subtract from this 2, and as a result we should get 3 is to power 2 minus a. Now in the next step we should apply power on the both side of the equation, which is 1 over 2 minus a, or we can say that we should apply power 1 over 2 minus a on the both side of the equation. As a result, this 2 minus a and this 2 minus a will cancel out together, and we will get 2 is to power 3a minus 1 over 2 minus a on the right side of the equation, and equal to 3 on the left side of the equation, which is a required answer for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.